Lou Penny? What? More like Lou Penny. OMG. This couple sucks. This couple is when Lou and Penny are going on a date riding on a boat. But who the heck cares? You know that Lou Penny is disgusting. I hope Lou and Penny will break up so Penny will get another girlfriend. That will be true, not false. Do you know who loves this couple? All Loud Family. They want to go to Royalwood stage play to look at this couple holding hands. But they cannot because they are not allowed to see this. So, do you know who hates this couple? Looney, Steven Universe, Timmy Turner, Flame, Wubbzy, Fiery, Purple Loose, Sonic and Leo. They want to tell Penny to break up with Lou and then after the breakup all 9 boys fight Lou. So that will be great. So screw Lou Penny and screw Jeff 171. Steven Universe is 1894793586689134897318479384791893329864983 trillion times better than Lou Penny. End of this rant. Next rant, Granny.